Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to yet another vlog, a day in my life vlog. So the thing is, Mama and we're going out again because we need to go out again. And we will go to D-Mart again, I guess. So cute! So cute! Hello, you guys. And we're like taking mangoes now. And now it's like 10:38. We still have to go to a lot of places, so still have a lot of work to do. But the climate is so good. Just look at the climate. It's so good. It feels so nice. It's not sunny at all. The next stop is Machi ka dukan. What are you taking? And Mama is calling Shonu so that he comes down and takes all the saman and goes up. Chal. बोल ना कुछ. ठंडा ठंडा कूल. It's like 1:45 and I think high time मेरे को उठ के थोड़ा काम कर लेना चाहिए अभी. A little change in plan. So instead of cleaning the house, I'm gonna put up like this package for now, thoda sa, just because I felt like doing it. Ooh, also, I made a face pack with chandan powder, multani mitti, orange peel powder, and rose powder with milk. This is a face pack. So yeah. And I'm back. I just washed my face. It looks so nice. It feels soft, like अच्छा लग रहा है. So, one face mask done. Hi everyone, and it is 3:30 in the afternoon right now. And I'm standing on the balcony. Oh wow, I just saw lightning. I love rain. Okay, I love rainy season. I love winters, and it is raining. It's so beautiful, and I'm so sorry, you guys. I was supposed to do a lot of things, ended up doing nothing. I went off to sleep. I was like lying down. I didn't even sleep. I was doing time pass. It's like raining really heavy over there, and like I just saw lightning over here, and I did not capture it. I'm sad, but either way, हवा चल रही है. No longer super hot in Pune, and it is beautiful. अभी मुझे नहीं पता मैं क्या करने वाली हूँ. And it is raining. बारिश तो आ रही है. एक मस्त वाली अच्छी वाली बारिश आ रही है. I want to go out and have chai now. I so feel like going out and having chai. No one's gonna take me out. I'm the only one who likes to get wet in the rain and roam around when it's raining. So Mama won't come, Sonu won't come, Deep won't come. I'm the one with a lot of energy, kinda. But anyway, it is raining. Okay, I'm going to go inside. So it's like 5 o'clock in the evening and I did not vlog since so long. हाँ मम्मा ने बहुत सही करी. But now we are having. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you all these things. But we had chai and then we had like bread, butter, jam, kanda bhaji, patta bhaji, and dusky. And now we're chilling, having kanda bhaji. So yeah. Anyway, I did not update you guys. So like, Mama and me, we were stitching. So she's teaching me how to stitch on the machine. And the first thing she showed me is how to alter his kurta that he's wearing. So yeah, I did thoda sa kaam on it, like little. Thoda sa, I thoda trial kiya. So I'm learning how to stitch. So I'm learning how to be a tailor. But anyway, now it's like it's nice and thanda and I'm just standing on the balcony chilling. I think I'm just gonna chill with Deep and Sonu for some time right now, and then I need to go get mehendi because I won't be able to go to the place we were supposed to go to get the mehendis done. With all the barish and all right now, I won't be able to go and no one's going to drop me. So I am going to get the mehendi going home and I'm going to put mehendi. I'll put mehendi for Mama and me. So that is the plan. वैसे भी टैटू आर्टिस्ट तो हूँ, मेहंदी डालना तो आना ही चाहिए. Not necessarily, but yeah, I should know, and I know how to put mehendi. I used to put mehendi when I was a kid. So, and Mama knows how to put mehendi in and out, and she's taught it to me. So I am going to do that. I'll put mehendi for myself as well as for Mama. So yeah, that's the update right now. Look at that. It's so beautiful. You know, you can see the sun coming out from the clouds. It's so pretty. The climate is so beautiful, right?
ये अच्छा स्पेस बार से होता है ऐसा ये भी है ना
मर गया रे तू, मर गया. मर गया रे.
कार मत दे यार मेरे को मीडियम 5 स्टार वो कौन ये कैसी रहती है
Outfit of the day
इसका तो 5
or maybe the evening.
ये शेडी दे मेरे को कितनी शेडी मतलब छोड़ यार कलर के बाद बराबर से मोस्ट वांटेड लेना
So it's been a while since
9th day क्या है कुछ excitement हो रही है
it's been a while since I last, checked in for the vlog, and it's like 6 o'clock now, and yes, I've come out. Out as in I've not come out. Okay, so I haven't checked in and बारिश रुक गई है. The sun is out. Right now the sun feels good. It's not like hot right now. Otherwise ये टाइम पे गर्मी होती है. Last level. You cannot even stand over here. I can't even make videos here. Either way, I am doing nothing right now, to be very honest. I thought I'd do a lot of things, but let's see. दिन अभी तक ख़त्म नहीं हुआ, so we come to take chicken. अब मेहंदी लेने जाएंगे. Okay, so I got 5 of the mehendi cones. Deep just left, and I am going home. I think like I want to do I want to shave and all, but let's see. Okay, so and I am back home. It is 7 o'clock right now, and the climate is beautiful though. Just look at that. The sky is so pretty. Oh, yes, now you get to see it. Okay. Like I was saying, I'm back home. I am planning on doing few things right now. Hopefully I do it. So let's see what I do next. But yeah, I'm just going to go wash my face and everything right now. Change into some other comfy clothes for now. Because अब तो कहीं बाहर जाने नहीं वाली हूँ मैं. So I'm just going to do that. I made few reels also इतनी देर में. Depends if I'm going to post it or not though. I don't know if I would. 2-3 बनाया है. अच्छा निकला तो डाल दूंगी, नहीं तो नहीं. But yeah, and if you want to see those, like I'm saying that I make a lot of reels. Okay, trust me, I make a lot of reels. I literally post them every single day, almost every single day. So don't forget to go and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is shreyasappaliga04, and follow me there. Like I'm trying to reach 5K, but for some reason followers कम हो रहे हैं. Like in the past 2 months, like पहले से the followers were like increasing and everything, and I was so happy. But for some reason, since the past 2 months, followers सिर्फ नीचे जाते जा रहे हैं. Like I'm getting views and all, but followers नहीं मिल रहे हैं. जो existing followers थे सारे unfollow कर रहे हैं. But either way, that's okay. That's another story altogether. And even if I'm losing followers, so what? It's okay, fine. I can post for myself, and that's what I've learned. I'm going to post for myself. Views and followers या subscribers मिले ना मिले, I'm at least going to post for myself. So let's see. अब तो जाके I'm going to go wash my face, change, remove the earrings and everything, and get into some comfy clothes. And yeah. Okay, so after a very long gossiping session, nahi re. After a very long gossiping session with mama, now change करके she's putting mehendi for me after so many years. So that's the inspiration. That's Dusky, and we are putting mehendi. Oh, I will see you guys in some time. 1 घंटे बाद. So my mama has put mehendi after many years, and her hands were like kind of shivering, so but still this has come out so nice. I love it. I'll show it to you one sec. Okay, so it's like I'm done with one side of the mehendi, and I just started putting mehendi on the other hand. So I'm just going to complete that without filming anything right now. I'll put the whole mehendi and I will see you back. Hi everyone, and मेहंदी बना लिया मैंने, डाल दिया खुद के हाथों पे. कुछ तो किया है मैंने. So, and now it's like 11 in the night. So I'm going to go off to sleep and I'll see you in the next vlog. So take care. Bye bye. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'll also link my Instagram in the description. Make sure to go follow me over there. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.